In the beautiful hills of Lancaster County, Michael and his family heard about the benefits of solar and decided to invest in a ground-mounted solar system. He eventually hired a local solar installer to complete the job, and after some obstacles, everything appeared to come together as Michael had planned it would. But after a few months, a storm developed in the area that tested the durability of the solar array's construction. Wind gusts of up to 40 miles per hour caused the original installation to be dislocated and severely misaligned. With it, Michael's hopes of hassle-free savings with solar took an unexpected detour. What had gone wrong? Why did something so promising end in failure?
Yes, in August, Mike called me almost in tears because he got a letter from his utility company explaining that if some issues with his solar system were not resolved by the 28th, his electricity supply would actually be cut off to his house. This was due to some mistakes done by a previous installer. There were a number of issues with the install and it should have never passed inspection. So after the first call, he got it resolved with his utility company. However, a storm took out the system structurally, or at least made it very crooked. So after the second call, two of my coworkers went out and did a thorough visual inspection of the system. There were a lot of little things that most people would miss. The structure was just not done properly. It would need to be completely redone and done with a different ground attachment, done with an entirely different racking and mounting system. Most of the modules could be reused, only 3 of them were damaged. If you look closely at the array, you'll see that 3 in the upper right are a different color. They're still the same manufacturer, but that's why they're a different color. But we ended up working with the insurance company to redo the entire system for Mike properly. And now it's installed with a proper foundation and everything, and it passed inspection easily. Plus it looks a lot nicer and even produces more power. None of us are perfect. I have done mistakes in the past of choosing a contractor wrong. However, in this case, there were several things that could have been avoided. The first person that came out was chosen, the first person with a good story. He did have a good story. None of it had substance. Photos of his past work were not looked into. The negative online reviews were not looked into. And there was no NABCEP certification, just no track record of good work being done in the past. The client also didn't go to see any of his past work or the location where he works out of. If you can see the place that your contractor works out of, if it's an important decision, go do that, whether it's their shop, their staging area, showroom, workplace. That can tell a lot if what they're saying is true or not, in integrity, in neatness, and just general preparedness on how to assemble a project for you.
If you're looking to invest in the benefits of solar, check online first to verify that your solar installer is trustworthy and treats everyone well. NABCEP certification can also be a good indicator of the depth of technical competence. Choosing a good partner will not only ensure a quality solar installation, but will also result in less headaches and stress throughout the process. If you have questions about the solar installation process, visit our website or contact us by phone.